मंजिलों को पाने के लिए रास्ते बनाने पड़ते हैं, मंजिलों को पाने के लिए रास्ते बनाने पड़ते हैं और हौसलों को बुलंद कर कदम आगे बढ़ाने पड़ते हैं। सो हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज वेदिका इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड टुडे आई एम ऑनर्ड टू शेयर विथ यू an inspiring story of first Indian woman IPS officer. She was a trailblazer for all the women because she break so many barriers and faced so many difficulties in their life. She faced a society criticism. She faced lots of problems, but she never gave up. And she proudly say that I am a first woman IPS officer in India. Kiran Bedi, born in 9 June 1949 in Amritsar in Punjab. At the time when few women think to join the IPS officer job, when she proved that women also join the IPS officer, the police line, that she proved all of the persons, all of the society that women can do anything. Because she belonged to a very conservative area where people think that women cannot do anything. They belong to a conservative area where people think that this job is very famous for a man field. This IPS officer job is only for a man, not for a woman. But she proved that women can do anything in their life, and she also became the IPS officer. And she proved that she became the first Indian IPS officer in India. She faced so many difficulties in their life, but she also achieved a Padma Shri award, and she also achieved a Raman Magsaysay award in 1994. She do anything what she want in their life, and you know what? She complete their education for Girls Women College, and she also a top student on their school, and she also a national champion player of sport. She is a very intelligent, she is a very active, and she is a very disciplined girl. That's why she do anything what she want in their life. She proved everyone and even a society who think that women cannot do the job of like army, police, but she proved that women can do everything what she want in their life. What the best part of this story, that their family member and especially their father support him, and they motivate him, and they inspire him to do what she want in their life. And that's why she also wanted to become an IPS officer, because in India you know that women have restrictions that their family member not support her, that they marry their daughter in a young age, but their father support her to become a IPS officer. And that's why she proved to become a first Indian IPS officer, and she inspired millions of girls to become a IPS officer, and she opened the door of lots of women. You know that Kiran Bedi is famous for their far attitude and their strict nature, because she faced so many difficulties in their life. She faced criticism, she faced social criticism, but she became a strict woman who faced so many difficulties in their life, but she never gave up and stood for their dreams. And you know what? The best part of their story is their family member and especially their father support her to become a IPS officer, and she always motivate, inspire their daughter to do what she want in their life. She inspire their daughter to play tennis, and that's why she also a national champion of tennis, and she inspired millions of girls, and she proved that women can do anything. You know what? That when they join a IPS officer, when she joined the post of IPS officer, so many people think that you are not capable to do this job, and some even people say that this job is not for a girls because it is a very tough job, and you know what, that only men do this job. But she worked hard and proved that women also do what she want in their life, and she do this job. And you know what, that in their journey they work hard, because they are a very disciplined person, very active person, and she is famous for their strict behavior, and she is also famous for their fair attitude. So thank you for listening me. Their story teach us. Their story teach us to be courage, to be determined, and chase for your dreams, and be brave, and do anything what she want in their life, because woman can do anything what she want in their life, and she teach so many things in their journey. So thank you for listening me.